Good morning. I am Madhuri Malatta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now's content for B.Sc Zoology honors, M.Sc Zoology, CST PG and CSINet Life Sciences students. Paper non-chordates or invertebrate zoology and unit platyhelminthes and topic life cycle of Fasciola hepatica. Introduction of the Fasciola hepatica. Fasciola hepatica, commonly known as the sheep liver fluke, causes fasciolasis or fasciolasis. The zoonotic parasitic disease mainly infects the liver and bile ducts of the ruminants but also affects humans who become infected by consuming contaminated water or aquatic plants like watercress, which containing the parasite's larva. It infects the livers of various mammals, including humans, and is transmitted by sheep and cattle to humans all over the world. The disease caused by the fluke is called fasciolasis or fascioliasis, which is a type of helminthiasis and has been classified as a neglected tropical disease. Fasciola hepatica, which is distributed worldwide, has been known as important parasite of sheep and cattle for decades and causing significant economic losses in these livestock species, up to 23 million in the UK alone. Structure of the Fasciola hepatica. External structure of this fluke. At first, body shape. Dorsally ventrally flattened, leaf-like structure with a distinct triangular shoulder and a colonial anterior projection called cephalic cone. Color pinkish to grey-brown in appearance, containing suckers. Two suckers are present which are used to attach to the biliary ducts and feed on the blood and bile. Oral suckers. Small located oral suckers at the very anterior tip surrounding the mouth. Next, ventral sucker or acetabulum. Larger powerful suckers located just posterior to the cephalic cone. Next, tegument. The body surface is covered with a cuticle bearing backward pointing spines to prevent slipping with the bile duct. Next, internal structure of this fluke. Digestive system. Incomplete, meaning its lack an anus. Food enters through the mouth or oral sucker, passes through the pharynx and esophagus, and enters a highly branched blind ending intestine that is called diverticulated ceca. Reproductive system or um, reproduction. Reproductive system of this fluke is hermaphrodite. Both male and female organs are present in each adult. It has highly branched testes, a short convoluted uterus, and vitelline glands along the lateral edges. The common genital pore is located just anterior to the ventral. Next, excretory system. Excretory system consists of phlegm cells, which are specialized cells for the excretion and osmoregulation, leading into longitudinal canals and a single posterior excretory pore. Nervous system comprises a brain, that is ganglia, and longitudinal nerve cords. Next, life cycle of this liver fluke. First stage is egg stage, that is occurs in environment. Adult flukes in the bile ducts of the mammals, that is definitive host, produces eggs that pass into the intestine and are excreted via feces. Next is miracidium larva stage. In fresh water, the eggs mature and hatch into free swimming larvae called miracidia. Next, intermediate host stage. Intermediate host is snail. The miracidia larva penetrate a freshwater snail, that is typically from the family Limnaceae. Inside the snail, they undergo several developmental stages, that is porocysts, radia, and sarsaria larva. Sarsaria and Metacersaria larva. The snail releases free swimming Sarsaria with tails. These Sarsaria attached to aquatic vegetation shed their tails and insist becoming Metacersaria. Next, infection and migration stage. Humans or animals ingest the Metacersaria often via raw aquatic plants like watercress. The cysts exist in the duodenum. Immature flukes penetrate the intestinal walls and travel through the liver parenchyma for 6 to 8 weeks. They migrate into the bile ducts where they mature into adults. Maturity stage, adult fruits mature and begin producing eggs 3 to 4 months after ingestion. Next, pathogenicity of the liver fluke. Key pathogenic mechanism. Migration and mechanical damage. Immature flukes exists in the small intestine, penetrates the intestinal wall and burrow through the liver parenchyma, causing significant tissue trauma, hemorrhage, and localized inflammation. Next, bile duct colonization. Adult flukes settles in the bile ducts where their suckers and spines causes irritation, leading to chronic cholangitis and hyperplasia, that is thickening of the bile duct wall, and fibrosis. Immunomodulation. Fasciola hepatica secretes molecules including cathepsins and paroxytoxin that modulate that host immunity, reducing the effectiveness of pro-inflammatory responses and aiding parasite survival. Next, nutrient consumption. The parasite feeds on the blood and epithelial cells, resulting in anemia and weight loss in the host. Now the topic has ended. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Moodling.